Today I'm gonna show you how to add values to the list using while loop. First, we need to define how many values we want to add to the list. It's gonna be our add numbers variable. And in our case, we're gonna add two variables to the list. Next, we're gonna need way to document how many times we went through the loop, and this time is gonna be our count variable, and we're gonna set it to 0. Next, we're gonna create a list, and in our case we're gonna create a blank list, but you can use existing lists as well. The numbers or variables we wanna add is bigger than counter. So let's make our counter next. Our counter gonna be count equals count plus 1. So every time we go through the loop, our count gonna be increasing by 1. In first loop it's gonna be 0, second loop is gonna be 1, and the third loop is gonna be 2. However, we're gonna have 2 loops total because of our while loop conditions. The third iteration of the loop, the condition of our while loop is that how many numbers we're gonna add should be bigger than our count number. In the first loop, our count number gonna be 0. Next loop, our count gonna be increasing by 1, which is 0 plus 1 is 0. And the third iteration is gonna be 1 plus 1, which is 2, and 2 is equal to 2, so it doesn't apply for our loop. Next, we're gonna input value to our loop. This added value is gonna be the value that's gonna be added to the loop. Let's call our added value add value, and we're gonna input it. All we need to do is make list dot append and then put add value. To verify that everything works, we're gonna print the list. And we're gonna run it. So we're gonna add value and we're gonna add another value, and we can see that both our added value are now in the list. Lastly, we can set how many variables we want to add to the list using input. It's gonna be and how many values you want to add. However, if you run it, we're gonna have this error. This error means that we are comparing count, which is integer, and our add numbers variable that is string. It happens because all our inputs in Python are happening as a string. In order to fix that, we're gonna put int in front of input, and that's gonna put and make our add numbers as an integer. And let's run the program again. Let's add two numbers again. And now everything works back again.